Well, everyone, Sarah here. Welcome to Sarah's Tech. Let's talk Apple. The day we've been waiting for a while is finally here. The Apple Vision Pro is now available in stores. As I said in my last video, I did indeed go today to the Apple store in the mall I work in and get an actual demo done. And that was a very interesting process. As we already knew, it was a lot of this and, some pulling and learning of different ways to do things. I was looking around a lot to kind of calibrate things, both my eyes and my hands. It was a very unique and different experience. As also said previously, I don't currently have the money to buy the Vision Pro, although I do want one. In preparation for that, I did take the liberty of ordering a couple of the accessories so that I will have those when I do get my Vision Pro. So I will do an unboxing today of the travel case for the Vision Pro and the battery clip for the Vision Pro. I did also order the spare battery pack. That unfortunately did not come today and is not scheduled to come till Monday, so while I will probably do an unboxing as well, that'll be a couple days. Well, here's our battery clip for the Vision Pro, made by Belkin, of course. And there's the actual clip itself. And here we have a strip to attach the clip to for when you are wearing the Vision Pro and need the battery attached. Of the things I have today for unboxing, this is the thing I'm most interested in, as it's the travel case. We travel a couple times a year, as we do have out-of-state family, and we go to see them every so often. So when I do finally get my Vision Pro and we travel to see them, this will be the thing I want to take it in. So here we have the case fully is closed and all. We have the little strap at the top that you can, of course, carry it like its own little bag, an own little backpack almost. There doesn't seem to be anything else in the box, so let's move on to the inside of the case. This side right here is built for the battery, and it does give you some idea as to how to wrap that battery up. This side right here is built for the Vision Pro itself, and this bag right here is built for the accessories other than the battery, such as the cloth and the power cord and the power adapter that come with your Vision Pro. If you're interested about the bag itself for these things, here we go. Now this looks nifty, and this is a very good accessory considering how much it should be. And also considering how much the Vision Pro is, that's something that you really do want and should protect whenever possible. So this is an excellent way to carry it with you and still know that that several $1,000 investment is well protected. When I went and got my demo done today, I took a couple pictures of the Vision Pro before I actually tried it on. Here they are. So there you go, everyone. Just a quick unboxing of a couple of accessories. Like I said, the battery hasn't come yet and won't come for a couple days. If I have the time when that comes, I'll make a quick unboxing video of that as well. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, Sarah out.